Hello friends, I'm Parvez, and in the previous video we have learned that how you can select all data from your MySQL database and Python. So this is from the previous video, and we have retrieved these data from our MySQL database. Now in this video I'm going to show you that how you can update your data in MySQL database. Now there are two ways that you can update your data. So the first way is not save, and the second way is saver, because we are going to prevent SQL injection. Now let me show you the first way. I'm going to copy these codes from here because I don't want to write all of them. So these are okay. Now let me copy in here. Now I'm going to create my update query. So update query, and in here I want to update employee. So I want to update employee and set I want to update the name of the employee table, and for example this I want to make it updated name, and where name. So if you see my database, the first name in here is Parvez, and I want to update this. So in here you can write this, the condition. After this, let me create try, and in the try I want to execute my update query. Also let me db.commit and print data updated successfully, and in the except let me print unable to update the data. And at the end you need to close your connection, so db.close. Okay, now let me run. This is the code. Let me run this. Data updated successfully, and now I'm going to check my database. So now you can see that the data is updated name. Now this was the first way. Now in the second way, I'm going to copy all of my code and paste it in here. I want to bring because we are using placeholder. Now I'm going to bring changes in here. So instead of giving hard-coded name, and I'm going to give it a placeholder string like this, and in here I'm going to create a value, a tuple, and I want to so the second record in here is John, so I want to change this with my name, so John. Also you need to give value in your execute query. I'm going to run this. Unable to update the data, so why it's giving me error? Oh sorry, I need to change this also. So for this also I'm going to give it. Okay, now let me run this. Data updated successfully. Refresh the page. So now you can see that the John is changed to my name. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, like the videos and share the video.